pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor berman lagasmi.
Kani kam ta kaya di nang baga sudan no baga kawan no election itu. Baga kapor ho ya election di outline kam don no ga ji kendu di kran di kana. Te banyong baga kakam haru kita ta kaya de. Te kalom positif kam don no mo jutut ga pentut ya progress sudah kam.
Tekani ka formal peace talks kala sedang ni kampat sedang ni dum.
Adu mendang yang padan no formal talk. Unofficial talk kalau sudah dia kata banyak formal ko ni kran ki agenda security ni pada kampat.
And nakai ka daw ba kani ka kam simpor mo?
Gelumar ka don di jyrwat ke beri technicalities part ya ka peace process ni technicalities jong ka proses. Nama kali kamde kam tang jong state government kamde tang kam ka HNLC kali kam jong ka union ministry ateng kala semua biang ka state government bak ka HNLC nak biang ka central government so bompat biang ngomong ya ka proses ni ki technicalities ateng ka central government ka kuat kumui state kuat ka hapun wandu kumui tena nak yang ka sen ka hapun wandu kumui long kita di technicalities ki bang ya ni ya pusang penoi anu ni semua tadi
Atau ki agenda
Amka agenda singin sebu andala adega formal talk yang tangin bala sekolah di agenda sing.
Nakaliang kini ki nawelam kinon kita suka kon ki den spo.
Andala adega formal talk tu sing hapan.
Lalu kini kita so.
Nanu pala anjar keten bending nong yang mana kemari. Lamar kumba pidi bentuk lamar ba tipor ba suara election dan nakaliang foreign secretary political secretary kilawan sini asa sini kementar banyak sa sini di Syaman o vice chairman banyak sa sini long ka si bentar bang peteng kali kam tengok ya formal talk kita sewan tiba-tiba benang kung ka disikar kung ka jing ka delegation na seti kan jik subit joki
Amut pi yo ini am ya kata ka commitment nakaliang jong ka state bat ka central government.
Kadang komentar nakaliang central government government state government kadang kamdan menunu ka banong ba kimnong serius lagi ya kita komentar ka pura
Just the cases against them.
We can deliberate, we can negotiate, we can talk about all these cases. So right now the concentration is basically on the process to move forward.
Do they have any safe passage
It's already there, safe passage. Since I think I have held a press conference regarding the safe passage of the leaders who are partaking in this entire process of peace.
So the government
about-
is willing.
Yeah, the government has already endorsed that safe passage.
What about
Follow a kind of ceasefire arrangement, then the rehabilitation arrangement has to be done. I mean, all those things. These are the technicalities that we are dealing with right now.
What about the criminal cases? Because earlier militant groups they asked for writing off all the criminal cases.
See, writing of criminal case, we say in one word, it means amnesty. Whatever criminal case for us relating to these rebel groups in India and other part of the world, and even in Northeast also. Waiving of criminal cases is a general plan within the amnesty. So far, amnesty we have not yet discussed at any level. But once the formal talk is scheduled and is held, then we can deal with these criminal cases because amnesty is a must.
if I'm not